Baik, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Good morning, everyone.
Good morning.
How are you today?
I'm ready.
Okay, I'm very well, thank you, and I'm happy to see you again today. Okay, before we start our lesson, I will lead pray. Okay, let's pray together, shall we? Amen. Okay, today, before we start our lesson, I will check your attendance. Is everyone here?
Mr. Ikhwan, ma'am.
Okay, Iwan, why he doesn't come? Anyone who knows?
I don't know.
Oh, maybe I will check the homeroom teachers about Iwan condition, right? Okay, before that, wait a second. Desi, you look so pale today. Are you okay? Desi?
I'm not feeling well, ma'am.
Okay, but can you join the class?
Yes, ma'am, I can.
Okay, if you don't feel fine, you can go to UKS, right, Desi?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, everyone, listen up. Make sure you have to keep your body healthy, and then don't forget to check your conditions. Because if you feel healthy, you will follow the lesson. You will play. You can play with your friends, and then you will do everything, your activities. And then now, before we start our lesson, do you still remember what we did on the last meeting? Anyone of you maybe still remember?
Simple past tense.
Okay, that's good, everyone. Simple past is a tenses which is describe an event that happened in the past time. For example, when you go somewhere and then you wrote it, that you must use simple past. But today, we will discuss about recount text. Okay. Look at the picture below. Do you see the picture, everyone?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now, what do you think about this picture? What do you know about the picture above?
Zoo.
Yeah, looks like a zoo with a giraffe.
And then the second one on the next page. Okay,
Yeah,
beach.
blue ocean. Yeah.
Okay, the ocean. That's good. And then, have you ever traveled somewhere?
Yes,
Yes, everyone.
Yes, I have.
Okay, maybe anyone who want share what place did you travel? Rati, have you ever traveled somewhere?
Last holiday I went to Palabuhan Ratu, ma'am.
Okay, that's very nice. I think there are the beach view over there. And then, when was the last time you traveled, students? Maybe Intan? Intan, can you share when was the last time you travel?
Yes,
When?
Maybe last week.
Okay, last week. Where did you go?
I went to Bandung.
Okay, you went to Bandung. That's good. And then, what do you feel after traveling to Bandung, Intan?
I feel so happy because I can refresh my mind.
Okay, refresh your mind. That's good. And then the last, did you take a picture? Maybe when you got somewhere.
Yes, of course.
Of course, yeah. In this lesson, this is related with our topic, recount text. Oh, wait. What are you saying, Intan?
No, ma'am.
Oh, no. Okay. This is related with our lesson because when I was young, when I was maybe elementary or junior high school, I always wrote my feelings. But I think some of you today it's don't need again like that. But you will post it, and then when you post, of course you need caption. Pasti kalau post ke sosial media pasti butuh caption ya. Nah, di sini captionnya itu harus disesuaikan dengan kejadian yang sudah terjadi, of course. Nah, ini materinya adalah recount text yang tadi ya, yang ini. Okay, so today what we will do is, ini ada tujuannya dulu, identify the social functions and then the objective. Ada di sini ya, bisa dibaca. Di bukunya juga kalian bisa dibaca, di situ ada. Nah, selain identify, kalian juga nanti in the next meeting you will write the recount text based on your experience. Okay. And then what we will do today is we will learn definitions, social functions, kind of example of recount text, and then we will see the example. And then identify the generic structures, and then do the exercise. Next, I will make a group. There are 2 groups for you, and then the assessment. In the end of lesson, I will give a form. Seperti yang sebelumnya kita pernah latihan ya waktu kemarin. Ada di sini latihannya. Lalu nanti kalian akan membuat recount text-nya. Okay, now start the definitions. Definitions of recount text is text retell events or experience in the past. Without realizing it, we must often talk about past experience in everyday life. For example, telling stories. Tadi kalian telling stories ya, ada yang went to Pelabuhan Ratu, and then Bandung. That's, you can tell your experience. This is what we do now. And then, do you know what is the purpose? Nah, di sini, maybe I ask Fitri Rahmawati, can you read the purpose? Tujuannya. Coba, Fitri Rahmawati, can you?
Okay, ma'am. The purpose of recount text is to provide information about an event to the reader or to entertain the reader.
Okay, the purpose I just mentioned. Tadi Miss Ida bilang purpose itu tujuan. Jadi ketika kalian belajar teks pasti ada tujuannya dong. Nah, this is the purpose. The purpose ini adalah provide information. Information itu apa sih, students? Anyone who know? Information.
Yes.
Okay, informasi, betul. Informasi about event. Event it means kejadian. To the reader, ke pembaca. Or to entertain. Anyone who knows entertain?
Hiburan.
Okay, entertain, hiburan. Hiburan di sini, hiburan ke pembacanya ya. Nah, and then the generic structures of the recount text. When you write recount text, there are 3 parts. The first one, orientations. Orientation, it means in Indonesia pembukaan. Of course, when you write, you can mention the place, and then with whom do you go, and then what kind of place is that. Pembukaannya bisa teman-temannya, kalian pergi dengan siapa, tempatnya seperti apa. And then the second is events, kejadiannya. For example, what did you do on the place? Misalnya kalian pergi kemana, tujuannya apa, and then berapa hari, seperti itu ya. And then the last, reorientations, penutup atau kesan di sini. Maybe you feel, tadi ya ada Intan bilang, I feel happy. Itu berarti bisa disimpan di reorientation atau penutup. Okay, next, orientations. Orientations, tadi apa ya? Anyone who can answer? Orientation in Indonesia? Maybe.
Pembukaan, ma'am.
Oh, sorry.
Pembukaan.
Rahma, what is the orientations?
Pembukaan, ma'am.
Okay, that's good, Rahma. Orientation, it means pembukaan. So, these the examples. Last week, my family and I visited grandma's house. Nah, di sini ada ya pembukaannya. Minggu lalu, keluarga saya dan saya pergi ke rumah nenek. And then you can mention the location in Cibubur Cianjur, or you go there by car. Nah, di sini it is give the information, character, location, time, and any others ya di sini. And then the next one is event. Event is an event, while series means series. In this session, the writer will write a series. Nah, di sini you may describe your activities or you may describe what did you do on the place. Banyak ya di situ contohnya. Examples, when we arrive at grandma house, we were very welcome. Ketika kita datang ke rumah nenek, we were very welcome. Kita sangat diterima. There are already uncles and aunts. When 7th grade, we have learned uncles and aunts, the part of family ya. Uncles itu apa? Rahma?
Paman.
Ya, oke, that's good. Aunts itu apa? Fitri Rahmawati Noviani, aunts?
Istrinya paman.
Okay, that's good. Bibi ya.
Bibi.
Okay. You in this part you may describe an event. Okay, and the last reorientations in the sections. Reorientation itu you may tell the happy or sad ending. For example, not saran. Di situ ada kesannya, pesannya. Seperti tadi Intan sebutkan. Feel happy. Di situ bisa ya. Ini contohnya ada I didn't want to go home. Saya nggak mau pulang katanya. But ada pekerjaan, so other families juga yang lain sudah pulang. But I miss my grandma's house. Di sini ya bisa disebutkan. Okay. This is the characteristic. Okay. On the last meeting we have learned simple past. So di sini ada two verbs, ada regular verbs yang berakhiran ed. Visit, prepare, enter, and then ada juga irregular yang tidak beraturan when, and. Di sini ada spesifik objeknya, kalian bisa baca, or you can see on your handout. Di situ bisa baca, sambil berjalan kita akan bahas. And then, jenis-jenisnya, kind of recount text, there are 4. But, today, we will discuss more about personal recount. Personal recount is one of type that aim to tell about the other personal experience. Nah, this is what we will do more di sini tentang pengalaman pribadi. Kalau factual recount nanti akan ada di next chapter. Imaginative juga di sini ada. Ini berkaitan dengan imaginative, and then historical it is related with history atau sejarah ya. Okay, now let's identify the generic structures of recount text together. Di sini ada contohnya ya, students. So, please read first for 2 seconds, maybe. A trip to National Zoo. Okay, let's identify. Okay, enough. Now, let's discuss. Paragraph 1. Paragraph 1. Please, anyone... Maybe Fitri Rahmawati, you know the first paragraph?
Yes.
Termasuk struktur. Okay. What?
Itu kan pembukaannya ya orientation ya.
Okay, that's good. Okay. That's excellent. Orientation pembukaan. Sama seperti tadi ya. I told you before yesterday my family and I. You can mention with whom do you go, and then where is the place, and then you can say the location or the time, it is in the morning ya. And then the second paragraph, Rati, can you mention the second paragraph? What is the structures, Rati?
Event, ma'am.
Okay. Event. Okay, event. That's good, Rati. Why you can say events, Rati? Kenapa bisa bilang event di sini? Kelihatan dari mana? Rati, atau mungkin any other students yang lainnya? Karena di sini ada apa? Tadi ya, ada kejadian-kejadian ya. That's good. There are many events here. Cook sausage, and then forget the tomato, and then visit aquarium, and then next, the last. Rahma, can you? The third paragraph, Rahma.
Yeah, reorientation.
Okay, reorientation. That's good. Okay, reorientation. It is. There are. Ada juga ucapan seperti kayak dia tired and very happy. Ada dua kesimpulan ya. Di sini penulisnya menceritakan. Okay, now the next activities I will divide you into two groups. You will work in group. The first group is Ananda, Intan, Uun, Fitri, Elise. Are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Please work with your own group. And then the second group, Rati, Fitri, Rahma, Desi, Elfrida. Are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, you can see on your handout the activities. This is read the recount text and identify the structures. Okay, every group, you can read first and then identify the structures from the text. The text, this is about holiday, but holiday to Seoul, Korea, yeah. So, after reading, you will identify like this. Mention the orientation, event, and reorientation. Okay, I will give you maybe for 1 minute, or is it enough to discuss? Then we will discuss maybe 1 or 2 questions. Okay, I will give you time. Please discuss with your own group. But students, if you have difficulties or you don't understand, you can ask me. Okay, you can see on your handout there is a question, yeah, over there. Okay, everyone finished? Yes. Okay, let's start with the first group. The first group, Ananda. Ananda, can you mention the orientations from the text? Can you mention from this text where is the orientations? Ananda, are you here? Ananda, okay, there's trouble. Maybe Uun? Okay, there's trouble too. I think I can move to the second group. Second group, please.
Yes, ma'am.
Where is the orientations? Rati, can you?
The orientation is the first paragraph, yeah, ma'am.
Okay, that's good. Can you read, Rati?
I spent my last summer holiday in Seoul, South Korea. I went there with my friends.
Okay, that's good, Rati. And then the event, maybe first group. Intan, can you?
Second paragraph.
Oh, sorry.
Second paragraph.
Yes, second paragraph. Can you read? Maybe a little sentence from the second paragraph.
On the first day, I was landed at Incheon Airport around 7 a.m. after a 6-hour-long flight.
Okay, thank you, Intan. And the last, the reorientation. The reorientations, please mentioned by Rahma. Rahma, are you here?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, where is the reorientation, Rahma?
The last paragraph.
Okay, the last paragraph. Okay, that's good, Rahma, and all of the students. Thank you. Next. Activity 2. I will give you time again to discuss with your friend. Please don't forget, open your handout. The next page, maybe around page 50 over there. Activity 2, there are 5 questions. After reading the recount text above, answer the questions correctly. This activity 2 meminta kalian untuk reading comprehensions tentang cerita holiday menulis tadi, ya. There are 1 until 5 questions that you may discuss with your own group. After that, I will discuss again. Nanti Miss Yoda akan tanya lagi gitu, kita bahas bagaimana mungkin jawaban yang tepatnya seperti apa. Okay, I will give you 5, maybe around 2 minutes. Okay, 2 minutes, I think enough. Okay, please do with your group. But if you find the difficulties, you can ask me. It's okay. Okay, everyone, have you done?
Yes,
First group
ma'am.
and second group, have you done?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, let me check or let me discuss the activity 2. Okay, please, number 1, answer by first group. Anyone who volunteered? Before I point of you.
Me, ma'am.
Okay, please. Number 1, where the writers spend the holiday? Where?
To Seoul.
To
Korea.
Seoul. Okay, that's good answer. But maybe you can write in complete sentence. For example, the writers spend holiday to Seoul, Korea. Yeah, like this. But that's good. That's good try. And then the second, maybe from second group, any volunteer? Rati, can you? Or Elise?
Went to the school by train.
Okay. Wait, can you repeat again?
The writer went to the Seoul by train.
Okay, on the first day, let's check again. On the first day, the writer is landed first, right? Landed first.
Oh,
Landed
iya ya,
first.
ma'am.
It's okay. It's never mind, Rati. Maybe kita diskusi kenapa ketika ada yang kurang tepat, kita bisa betulkan lagi. Landed dulu, and then after that, baru went to the Seoul by train. It's okay. And then next, the third questions, maybe Uun. Okay.
Seoul, Bu, Seoul.
Seoul. Okay, where they learn how to make it. Where? Of course in Seoul, but the place kita lihat lagi ya. The place-nya di sini di mana? Oke, kita cek lagi. Mereka belajar kimchinya di mana? Okay, students, please look at the slide. Okay. I also want to learn how to make kimchi, but the place di sini di Gyeokbong Palace and National Museum. Jadi di sana ada reka, mungkin ada reka ulang gitu. Cara membuat kimchi, how to make kimchi with a good ingredients. Ada misalnya cara membuat kimchi, takarannya, sausnya, ya. Benar di Seoul, tapi tempatnya di sini ya. Oke. And then number 4, What things that they buy in Myeongdong? What things that they buy? Elfrida, what things that they buy, Elfrida? Elfrida in first group or second group?
I'm in second group, Miss.
That's good, Elfrida, second group. Can you answer number 4?
Are they by kimchi, Miss?
Okay. Maybe another? Can give me another answer? Number 4, what they buy in Myeongdong. Okay, let's show the context again.
See. Some stuffs and souvenirs, Miss.
Okay, they buy some stuff and souvenir, Elfrida. Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you. And then the last, how was the trip? How was the trip? How was the trip? Please, first group. Anyone who volunteer? Or I will point you again. Intan?
2 menit lagi. 2 menit lagi.
Okay. Okay. Untuk yang number 5, kalian bisa lanjutkan ya. Bisa lanjutkan di sini. Kenapa? Karena ini sebelumnya kalian harus read dulu ceritanya di sini. Ini sudah ada kalian, mungkin beberapa, some of you didn't read more. Terus jadi ada beberapa yang kurang tepat ya. So, ini dibaca lagi. Next. Before we end the lesson, this is your homework. Karena kita sudah biasa waktu itu menerapkan PTS dan PAS dengan Google Form, so I will remind you again. Click the link below to your homework, fill your name, choose your class, answer the questions, submit the questions. Here are the links. Okay, before we close the sessions, I will ask you, what we have learned in this lesson? Can you give me an answer? Kita sudah belajar apa sih di pembelajaran ini tadi?
Me, Miss.
Okay, please.
That's about recount text, Miss.
Okay, that's good. Rati and Elfrida, thank you. We have learned about recount text. And then, what is the conclusion? Can you give me? Fitri Rahmawati, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, what is the conclusion? Kesimpulannya apa sih kita belajar recount text itu? Ada apa aja?
Recount text untuk menceritakan kalau kita punya kejadian yang sudah lampau. Ada 3 kalau mau kita buat recount text, ma'am. Harus ada pembukaannya.
Okay, pembukaan in English apa, Fitri?
Orientation.
Okay, that's good. The second?
Harus ada daftar kejadian-kejadiannya,
and then
harus ada reorientationnya.
Okay, that's good, Fitri. And then, thank you. But the agenda that we will do on the next meeting are review again the discussions about recount text, and then discuss about the simple past tense deeply, because we have learned about, but we will discuss more karena ada beberapa bagian. And then the last, do the exercise again, and on next meeting, you will make a recount text. But don't forget to do the homework. I have sent it to the group. Okay, you can check it. And then I think enough before closing. Any questions first? Okay, I think there is no questions. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. See you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.